Guys, see the Africa Hotel since 1909. Wow, it's the first hotel in Kenya. First hotel in Kenya, the oldest though in Kenya. So guys, how are you doing? Welcome to this channel, and today we are touring Old Town in Mombasa. This is one of the touristic sites in Mombasa. So if you're in Mombasa, you can just come and have a tour and see how does Old Town look like. We're just getting in there, so come along with us and see what we have in Old Town. Sijapita. Oh. Okay.
Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow night, today night, hapa kutaja kwa watu wanauza special foods.
Oh. Okay.
Hapa wanauza biriani nzuri hiyo hoteli.
Oh, okay.
Central Police hapo kuna mlango kuingilia ukafunga.
So guys, for those who don't understand, the most popular restaurant. Okay. So if you come touring Old Town, look for this restaurant. It's a good one. It's so popular in this area.
Sasa tukishuka hivyo chini, tunashuka Kuze. Hapo huko ndo kuna zile nyumba za zamani nini. So what is the daily one for around old mosque.
Sawa.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode.
So guys, here it's at Fort Jesus. It's among the oldest buildings in Old Town. So we are going to begin our tour here, the tour of Old Town, and going there up to the other parts of the town. So it is already in the evening, so today we are not going to get into Fort Jesus because they have already closed, but I'm going to give you a tour of Fort Jesus another day. For today we are going just to have the tour of Old Town, and then I'll show you in another video the tour of Mombasa Town. So if you're looking to buy a gift or a souvenir, this is a place you can buy. You can buy it. It's just outside Fort Jesus. There are very beautiful items around here that you can buy. You can buy ornaments. You can buy home decor that are very, very well priced, and you're going to remember this place with them.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we a vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know.
Okay. Barak. Guys are on Barak Highway. Let's see Mombasa Old Town. It has the oldest buildings. Barak. Okay. Let me take you to the place where people who live in Old Town go to the beach. So there's a small beach in Old Town, and it is just a few meters, like 100 meters from Fort Jesus. So you just walk down, and there, voila, it's the ocean. It's the ocean, and the beach is just, it's not a large one, a large public beach, but is a good one.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we a vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or under her type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a
Guys, see the Africa Hotel since 1909. Wow, it's the first hotel in Kenya. First hotel in Kenya to begin operation in 1901. Visitors are invited inside to view architecture plus a photo gallery that captures those times. Africa Hotel. Oh, it's usually open daily 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Not visit by appointment. Wow. Okay. Mombasa Old Town.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings. Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact.
We have already seen the oldest hotel in Kenya, and now we are going to see the oldest mosque. Come along, come and see this mosque. This is the oldest mosque. It is in Old Town. If you want to visit the oldest mosque in Kenya, come to the coast, Mombasa Old Town.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again.
Forodhani restaurant is just 200 meters away from Fort Jesus. So if you are on a tour at Fort Jesus, you can decide to come and take your lunch or just take a meal from this restaurant. After walking down the stairs, you are just welcomed by the blue waters of the ocean. So this is a seafront restaurant where you can enjoy your meal while enjoying the sea breeze. So guys, how is this restaurant? Forodhani restaurant. It is in Old Town. So in Old Town, it's not everything that is old. This restaurant, as you can see, it is not old. It's a great one. So tourists and also locals come to enjoy meals here after going to Fort Jesus or after going to the beach and all that. Forodhani opened in July 2016 and the name means customs. It is located just next to where the old port was, and the rich history is behind that old port. It was built exact place where there was a go down that was serving the old port.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else.
So guys, we are in Old Town, Mombasa Old Town, and we are exploring the area, and here we have Mombasa Old Port. So this is the oldest port in Mombasa. It's the first port, and as we can look around, the area is changing. We are getting new infrastructures, new buildings, and new architecture, and also renovations of the old ones. So yeah, if you want to come see the history or story of Mombasa, you can come to Old Town. So let us explore more of what we have here. Look at that very old house. The house is still made of wood. That is wood, not metal. It is wood in this Old Town, and I'm going to show you the oldest door That is the oldest door we have in Mombasa, or we can call it Kenya, the oldest door in Kenya.